Good morning, diamonds. Keep sparkling shining. This is Diamond Rose with another job for this morning of July the 29th of 2022. This job is just posted. Remote customer advocate with Aston Carter. It's a remote position in Minneapolis, Minnesota, and it's a $22 per hour job. And you can apply by clicking on the apply button. And their shifts will be, oh yeah, you have to be fully vaccinated for this job and you must live in Minnesota. And the shifts are Monday through Friday, 8:30 through 8 a.m. 8:30 a.m. through 5 p.m., excuse me, and Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. through 4:30 p.m. And the description is this position is responsible to apply knowledge of the business, products, members, and operations to accurately and effectively fulfill member service requests and inquiries. Answer, resolve, track, and document telephone calls from members, providers, internal departments, and external agencies in a timely and professional manner. Utilize appropriate resources to respond to member inquiries. Research and resolve inquiries. Enrollment, eligibility, ID cards, clinic changes, demographic changes, benefit coverage, claims, payments, member reimbursement. Demonstrate knowledge of CAG policies, procedures, and regulations. Demonstrate and maintain a thorough and complete working knowledge of appropriate information, management systems, and ACD telephone system. Maintain good working relationships and open communication with internal and external customers. Additional skills and qualifications. Required experience: 1 year call center experience or 2 years customer service experience. Must have quiet workspace or dedicated home office. Must be away from noise and distractions. Preferred experience: working knowledge of medical claims and or medical billing processes. About Ashton Carter. At Ashton Carter, we're dedicated to expanding career opportunities for the skilled professionals who power our business. Our success is driven by the talented, motivated people who join our team across a range of positions, from recruiting, sales, and delivery to corporate roles. As part of our team, employees have the opportunity for long-term career success, where hard work is rewarded and the potential of the growth is limitless. Established in 1997, Ashton Carter is a leading staffing and consulting firm, providing high caliber talent and premium services to more than 7,000 companies across North America. Spanning 4 continents and more than 200 offices, we extend our clients' capabilities by seeking solvers and delivering solutions to address today's workforce challenges. For organizations looking for innovative solutions shaped by critical thinking professionals, visit AshtonCarter.com. Ashton Carter is a company within Intersect Group, a global leader in talent solutions. The company is an equal opportunity employer and will consider all applications without regards to race, sex, age, color, religion, national origin, ver- um, veteran status, disability, sexual orientation, gender identity, genetic information, or any characteristic protected by law. If you have to have a request for reasonable accommodation, filling out this application, such as modification and adjustment of the application process or interviewing process due to a disability, please call 888-237-6835 or email Ashton Carter accommodation at ashtoncarter.com for more accommodation options. So this job is just posted this morning, July the 29th, 2022. So you guys get on it and good luck. Now the next job will be customer service representative at DISYS. I hope I'm saying this correctly. DISYS. It's a digital Intelligence Systems Company. It's a remote position that's $14 to $15 per hour. And you can just hit the apply button. It's a full-time job position. The qualifications for this job is you don't have to have it, but it's preferred. Call center 2 years preferred. Customer service 2 years preferred. U.S. work authorization preferred. Full job description. Job description is resolve customers service or billing complaints by performing activities such as exchanging merchandise, refunding money, and adjusting bills. Contact customers to respond to inquiries or to notify them of claim, investigation, results, and any planned adjustments. Refer unresolved customer grievances to designated departments for further investigation. Keep record of customer interactions and transactions, recording details of inquiries, complaints, and comments, as well as actions taken. Digital Intelligence Systems LLC is an equal opportunity employer that recruits and hires qualified candidates without regards to race, religion, sex, sexual orientation, gender identity, age, national origin, ancestry, citizenship, disability, or veteran status. Once again, the pay is $14 to $15 per hour. It's the 8-hour shift, and these are preferred experience that you can have, but don't have to have it. You speak with the employer at this number right here down below, and they're currently hiring for 4 candidates for this role, and they're urgently hiring. It's just posted today, so get right on it, you guys. Go to Indeed.com and you can look up customer service representative / healthcare. It's in the healthcare field as well. So yes, you guys get on it, get on it, get on it. So this next job that I have is collections and cash apps specialist with this job in this company called the Intersect Group. It's a remote position. It's $20 to $25 per hour. And the resume, you have to have B2B, and you have to have qualifications. Your qualification will be Microsoft Excel, 1 year preferred. Customer service, 1 year preferred. U.S. work authorization is preferred, but it's not required. Full job description. Our company is looking for a cash apps specialist. We believe in strong customer relationships and that the strength of our people and their expertise can make the difference in delivering customer-centric solutions that enable agri-food businesses to efficiently produce, process, and deliver quality food and bio products. This is a remote opportunity that offers growth within the company. Primary responsibilities: collecting on accounts with 90 days past due, cash applications and billing, updating aging reports and activity surrounding the accounts. Required skills: B2B collections experience 3 years or over. Cash app experiences. Need to be able to start on Monday, August the 8th of 2022. ERP/Microsoft Excel experience. This is a remote role. Once again, it's a full-time position. It's $20 to $25 per hour, and the schedule is Monday through Friday. And this is a remote position. And they're hiring for 1 candidate. It's urgently hiring. It just got posted today. So if you want to, click on it and apply, you guys. And that'll be it for this video, you guys. Like and subscribe and comment down below. And if you like this video, come back and look for more, because I'm currently uploading and I'm doing daily uploads on jobs on a daily basis, 7 days a week. So hopefully you guys will see this as being an eye-opener. I hope you guys keep on going, because you are shining stars. You all are shining stars. You're just amazing. You're sparkling diamonds. And let's just keep going. See you on the next video.